How to add loyalty card to Google Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add loyalty card to your Google Wallet. Now, the first thing to do is to open your Google Wallet application, just like I have done here. And once your Google Wallet application is opened, you'll take it to the home page or to the last place or the last thing you did on your Google Wallet. So once you're on your home page, by the lower right corner of the screen, you'll see add to wallet or a plus icon. It varies depending on the type of phone you're using. For mine, on my own screen, you'll see a plus icon and then next to it add to wallet. So all you need to do is to click on it that way. Once that is done, you will take it to the add to wallet page, and on this page you'll see transit pass, loyalty, gift card, payment card. The purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on loyalty, so just click on loyalty like that. And once you click on it, you'll be asked to search for loyalty programs. Currently for me, I do not have any loyalty program and I do not have any loyalty card. But for you to want to add a loyalty card to your Google Wallet, that means you have a loyalty card, okay? So once you come here and then you on this page and you search for the loyalty program that you're currently on, just search for it. Once the name is gotten, just click on it, click on the program, and then the option add card will be there, and then you can just go ahead and add the card. So it is that simple. So go ahead and add that loyalty card today. Thanks for watching.